What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I posted in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, guys. So thank you so much for everyone coming back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, welcome back to the welcome to the channel, as well as just a little reminder that some of these videos are pre-recorded ahead of time, so some of the information may be a little ahead or older in a sense, like maybe a couple days, so that it works out with my schedule. So now diving onto the current price of Theta, we'll go on to there and then go on to the news. So if you're new to my channel, that's how I normally transition from my videos, but here we go. Starting on the Explorer page, we're going to see that Theta is at that $6 mark, as well as TFL at that 4-cent mark, almost at that 5-cent mark, and T-drop at that 0.0015 mark. So that's where I really am hoping that Theta stays above that dollar mark, especially by the end of this year of 2023, and TFL hopefully hits that 5-cent mark as well, but we shall see where the market goes. None of these videos are financial advice. Definitely do your own research, as you noticed in the beginning of the video. Going on to X, we're going to see some of the news for Theta that's posted, seeing that, hey guys, Lavita AI jobs have increased their reward to 1.3 Lavita token per job, and we are still in training. This is getting better and better. So as you can tell from this image right here, that is the amount that is accrued from this job. Definitely comment down below if you're getting more jobs specifically for just like regular jobs, AI, FedML, or if you are getting a lot of Lavita, just a little more input for the community. I am getting more of FedML, AI, as well as just regular Theta jobs. I am not getting really any Lavita jobs, so based on my node, based on the making of this video, I have not received any. So definitely comment down below, maybe add your region, maybe like what continent you're on. It doesn't have to be specific. So just a little reminder right there, if you don't mind sharing some information for the community. Going on to the next post that we have here, seeing that this would explain why Google and Amazon, as well as other data centers clients, will need Theta Edge Cloud. This will get interesting very quickly. This is not financial advice, so this is just like a little image based on this post, seeing that the GPU shipments by customer estimated 2023 H100 shipments by end year for the customers, seeing right here that Microsoft, and I believe this is Facebook now, Meta, will be increasing greatly. That's why Amazon and Google may need Theta's help, or most likely I'm hoping that they do need Theta's help, just so it evens the playing ground between these companies. But as you can see based on this image right here, there is a huge difference, a huge disparity between these two companies in comparison to Microsoft and Meta now. So definitely comment down below what you guys think about this image as well. Going on to the next post right here, seeing that Mitch says, we're thrilled to be partnering with Google to drive next generation generative AI applications, starting with a model pipeline for video to text applications that could disrupt video search and video content understanding. Looking forward to combining the best of Google Cloud and Theta's distributed edge network technologies. Ji Long, CTO, Theta Labs. May have noticed also already that I believe Gemini is the type of AI program for Google. I'll definitely have more news on that, on how that could be Theta as well incorporated. Definitely do your own research, guys, in regards to that. But I believe just with all the timing in a sense, and when it comes to crypto, Theta as well as Google, that is just my connection to that type of project for Gemini and Theta. Definitely comment down below what you guys think about that. This also does have a little bit more of that entire interview for that actual announcement. But if you have checked out my previous video in regards to Theta and Google, there was a shorter clip. I'll try to post it down below if I do recall, but if you're not, there are different tabs on my channel now, so it's a little more specific as to certain things like partnership, interviews. You can see the Google as well, and some other things I believe Theta and NFT related as well. So just a reminder that those are linked down below. Going on to the next type of post, seeing here the state of Theta, we're definitely going to talk about the Elite Booster. There was so much information on the white paper for Theta, so if you haven't seen my previous video on that, definitely check that out as well, because for 2024, 2025, seems like a lot of onboarding, especially with other companies, will be coming soon based on that white paper, based on what I read, and TFL will definitely play a huge game and a huge player in that. So seeing this post all together, seeing this section explanation for the Elite Booster. Release 1, seeing the currently scheduled for summer of 2024, will enable Elite Edge node operators to participate in Edge Cloud nodes hosted by Theta Labs via a lock and earn mechanism. A new Elite Booster section will be unlocked when the Edge node stakes full 500,000 through a single non-delegated wallet. This elite node can lock additional T-fuel separate from the 500,000 for elite status and earn boosted T-fuel rewards for all compute tasks performed in the edge cloud. There is no limit to additional amount of T-fuel that can be locked via the elite plus booster option, and bonus reward multipliers will apply to longer time locks. Each elite edge node can select a preferred edge cloud node to support and switch to another node based on their performance, earnings, and other reasons. Users can access an operation dashboard and virtual management window in the node to view jobs completed, type, payouts, performance, and more. A particular edge cloud node can have an n number of elite edge nodes supporting it, and all earnings will be shared proportionally among all T-fuel locked by the n number elite edge nodes. In the long term, any elite edge node supporting any particular edge cloud node can collaborate and vote on the various upgrades and enhancements to the underlying cloud node hardware and software specifications. For example, increasing VRAM from 8 GB to 16, etc. And I'm going to increase this image altogether so you can take a look here. I did post it like previously in a video, but I didn't really believe I went into too much detail. So it looks like Theta Fuel, T-Fuel, Elite Edge nodes will definitely play a huge factor for the upgrade for 2024 as well as 2025. So I really am looking to see how this project all goes all together. It really does make you think if you should go into more Theta, T-Fuel, things like that. So based on my understanding, I believe if you're not really necessarily going to build some sort of subchain, I guess T-Fuel is the way to go based on my certain idea. So community-wise, you have a better idea or chance with the T-Fuel, but also Theta, it's just hard to differentiate. So definitely do your own research, guys. But that's just my own opinion. I am trying to diversify a little bit between Theta since there are so many different type of tokenomics as well as subchains. But definitely comment down below what you guys think about which tokens you think is going to take off or do very well, as well as the subchains that are a part of Theta, as well as anything Theta related. I just like to see what you guys think about all the news that's coming out. So definitely comment anything that you'd like to mention down below. Going on to a little bit more, seeing the incredible feedback from Theta Network community about the Theta Euro Con. Excited to get things more together with Tweet Zion. We've got an amazing location in our site. Stay tuned for more updates. So definitely comment down below if you've been to ThetaCon of 2022 or 2023 and what you guys think about Eurocon. I feel like that'd be a great idea, a fun experience for people really trying to travel abroad as well as connect for those who are still part of the community. I think it'd be fun depending on like how the whole venue, stay, cost ever, of course, is going to be a huge factor, as well as the community. Maybe there could be some unique NFT giveaways, things like that for that type of incentive, but we shall see what the future will entail. Just a little fun thing to post out there on these videos. Going on to the next post, seeing that likes, retweet, follow, drop your Theta wallet for a whitelist. So I don't necessarily know if there's been a huge announcement in terms of this project altogether. None of these videos are sponsored by any of the members. I will explicitly say if it is, but just looking at this, if you do want to participate in this type of whitelist, it's down below in the description. I don't necessarily know when this will be launched or when those drops will be happening, but we shall see. I'm not too sure what other details are a part of it, but I'll definitely try to keep tabs on it just for a little bit of a community type of post. So we'll see what happens with that. And lastly, going on to one more post, seeing right here, Lavita AI getting closer to the gate. Theta peeps, anyone who's been waiting for the central exchange listing, here's your chance. Looks like when this video is going to be posted, Lavita will already be able to be traded based on this. I don't necessarily know what type of central exchange is going to be listing, but it's going to be on December 8th of 2023 when this post was created on Twitter, or on X I should say now. It was on December 4th of 2023 for this image and post, so that's the reason why it's going to be a little bit later and some of the news that I'm able to find. Hopefully I'll be able to make another video in terms of how to obtain this and see how the utilization for this. Of course, we already do know that Lavita has been growing in popularity in terms of downloads for especially Hugging Face, and we'll see how this goes altogether in terms of the token, the tokenomics in general, the utilization. But that is just my own opinion on how this will all work out. Really hoping for the best. It seems like things are working out in Theta in a sense in their favor in terms of development. Do I believe that we are already here? This is the final part? Of course not. I feel like there's so much more to come, but that is just my own opinion. Definitely comment down below what you guys think about the project so far. If you think it's slow, fast, right on track, as well as what else you want to see for the near future for Theta. But that is all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber, and it's so grateful for having you guys come back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description as well for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNC20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. If you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely helps out with the algorithm, helps more people find Theta Network in general. If you're an OG viewer, if you don't mind sharing, commenting, liking, everything all above to help the community grow more awareness for all the things that Theta is developing. But until the next video, until the next update, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Height. Deuces.